Hello, my name is Bhagyashri and I welcome you all in my Selenium with Python video series. In last video I have covered Python variables. Now in this video I will cover list. So let's create Python file. I will give name it as a list demo. Okay. So we are defining variable like var equals to 2 means where it is a variable which holds integer value 2. So variable is holding only one element, but suppose if the requirement is we have to store multiple elements, then in that case list comes into the picture. So list is nothing but it is a collect, it is the data type which holds the or which stores the multiple items. Okay, so we'll see how to define the list. We can simply define like L1, and in the square bracket we can define the multiple element. So like this we can define the list. Here we have to give comma, comma separated elements. So L1 is nothing but L1 here it represents as a list, and it holds these list elements. So one way is we can declare the list by using this square bracket, and inside that we have to define the elements with comma separated. If I print this list, then we are getting output of this list, means the elements of this list. This is one way. Other way is we can define like this also, L2 equal to list. This list, it is a constructor, and in that constructor we have to just in that we have to give the elements like 1 comma 2 comma 6 comma 7. I'm giving these elements. We have to make sure here two brackets, two round brackets should be there. And if I print L2, then we will get the result of this L2. Means we can define this list by using square bracket or by using this constructor. Now next we'll see the features of list items. So first is list items are ordered. When we say that lists are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not be changed. Next is changeable, means list elements we can change, means we can add, remove or update list elements. Next is it allows duplicate elements, means we can add duplicate elements. So let's see here in this list. Suppose I want to print this second element or I want to fetch this second element. Then we can access like this. This position is zeroth index. This is one first index. This is second and this is third. Means this list is a list is also index. So we can give the indexing number also. So to access this second element, I am passing here index number as a 1. And if I run, then it will give me result as a 2, means element at first index position. And we can change the element. So instead of 2, suppose I'm defining a string like hi. Okay, so and I will print list as well. Now see here we can change the elements, means list is we can update the list or list is changeable. It again it allows duplicate elements. At end again I am writing hi. Okay, means I am passing this high element second 2 times, means it allows duplicate elements. So let's see. So this is the our resulting list, and this high it is nothing but list item at first index position. Okay, so this is about the list. So now I want to calculate the length of the list. So in that case, we can use len method. So we can uh, print the length of this list. So for that, this len method is there, and I have to just pass the object of this list L2. So let's print. See the result here. 5 elements are there, so its length is 5. The list. So for adding element, so there are methods are available. So in the list, there are append method is there. So this append method, it will add the elements into the list at the end of this list. So here in this L2, suppose I want to append at the end. Suppose I want to add hello element. So by using append method, we can do this. So L2 dot append hello. Okay. So and I will print resulting list after appending the element. So it is giving me as a uh, element hello, which is added after this element. So basically this append method, it is used to add the element at the end of the list. Now suppose I want to add the element in between these elements. So in that case we can use the index method. So index method basically it accepts two parameter. One is index number and other is a value, which value we have to add. So suppose instead of this append, I will use here L2 dot insert. Suppose I want to insert at first index position this value, or I will append float point value as 3.8. Now let's see. See, at index position 1 means at 0 index 1 element is there. Its value is 1, and after that it will have 3.8. So 1 3.8, and this is my resulting string. So this insert method, it is used to insert the element at any position. Okay, so this is about insert method. Now suppose now this append and insert, these methods are inserting the element or adding the element, only adding element only one. Suppose I want to add multiple element, then in that case we there is a method that is extend. Okay, so we'll see. Suppose I want to insert uh, 4 elements. Okay, and this extend method, this will just extending the list, means it will add the element at the end of this existing list. So I will L2 dot extend, and suppose I want to add hello, then 7, and suppose 9.8. Okay, and now I will print this L2. Extend takes exactly one argument, 3 given. Oh, sorry. Here I have to make, I have to define like this. Okay. Now let's, as this is a list, we have to, I think, okay. Now see, let's see. Yes, this element. Why we have to make it this round bracket? Because see, if only one element is there, then it consider it as a string or any variable. But here we are, if we are adding multiple element, that's why we have to make it as a round. Means it consider it as a list. So this is about extend method. So for adding element, there are three methods: add sorry append, then insert and extend. This append method, it will add single element at the end of the list. This insert method will add element at any position, and this extend method will add multiple element at the end of the, I will uncomment this line. Now see, to remove the element, remove method is there. Okay, so let's remove this 6.5. Okay, so I will do this L2 dot remove Now here we have to give the value. Its value is 6.5. But while passing this value, make sure that that value should exist in the list. Okay, otherwise it will give error. And now I will print L2. Now execute this. See, this 6.5 is removed. So this remove method will remove the exact element from the list. Now suppose I want to remove any a specific element. Then in that case, one method is there. Okay, pop method. So L2 dot pop. See here, if we want to remove particular element or any index element, then it is accepting two parameter. Means we can specify index number as well. But if we are not removing or if we are not passing the index number, then by default it will remove the last element. Okay, so here in this list it will remove 9.8. So let's see. So see, last element it is removed. Now suppose I want to remove the element at position 2. Okay, at position 2. Now at position 2, 0, 1, 2, 6.5 is there. So let's see. See here, this 6.5 is removed. So this is about removing the element. Means we can use remove method or we can use pop method. Now next we'll talk about how to reverse the string. For reversing the string, just we have to give the reverse method, L2 dot reverse. Okay, and let's execute this. Sorry, here I have to write above. And now pass this L2 here. Now execute. See here, the string will be, sorry, the list will be reversed by using this reverse method. Okay, so this is about reversing the string. I want to, this is my total list. Now I want only this substring. Okay, sorry, this sub list from 7 to 6.5. So for that, just I have to give the, I have to just pass the index. Okay, so L2 from 1 to 4. Okay, and let's execute. See here, 7, hello and hi, these are print. So this is about splitting the splitting or slicing concept. We will talk about this slicing concept in next video in tuple. Okay, so this is all about the list. If you like this video, then please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.